Here we have a setup with two electric motors, A and B, connected to two magnetic encoders type AS5048a. But here I want to show the connections of these two encoders, both together, to the Arduino UNO board and their functioning. As for the connections, here we have the connections according to SPI protocol that is showed in this scheme, in which we have to connect the two MISO and the two clock pins of the magnetic encoders to the 12 and 13 pins of Arduino. Here we have the yellow is the 12 and the red is the 13 pins of Arduino, and they are connected to both the corresponding MISO and clock of the two encoders. Then we have of course the connections to the power supply, ground, and plus 5 volt of Arduino is connected to MOSI here. These two are the ground and MOSI of the encoder on the left. This is the ground and MOSI of the encoder on the right. This is, and they take the power supply from these two connectors to the pins from Arduino, and here we have the two chip select, A0 and A1. The right encoder is connected to the A0 and the left is connected to the A1. As for the code is very simple. This is the code. Here we have the definition of the two chip select pins, analog input of Arduino, A0 and A1. Here the definitions of the clock, MISO, and so on. And we have the loop, in which it is called a read encoder, the read encoder subroutine, which is in the last part of the software here. So here there is a sequence of the call of both the encoder, and the subroutine works reading 2 bytes one at a time, and then composing the 2 bytes, and then there is in posenc is stored the actual position of the called encoder, which is a return to post A and post B. Here there is a mapping of the position between 6,384, which are the position of 14-bit, to 0,359 degrees, 59 degrees. Okay. So let's see how it works. I connect, and now I upload the code on the Arduino, and now we can see the functioning on the serial plotter. Here we can see that we have the B encoder and the A encoder that works well. Same direction, opposite direction. So the functioning is very good with this SPI protocol, connecting both encoder to the same bus of the SPI protocol.